Steve, welcome to the Ontario Mortgage and Real Estate Insights podcast, your go-to source for the latest developments, trends, and regulatory changes in the industry. I'm your host, Steve Hamoan, here to provide you with insights sourced from reputable news outlets to help you stay informed and make well-informed decisions.
Janine. This podcast is brought to you by Real Approved Inc., a trusted mortgage brokerage dedicated to helping Canadians achieve their home ownership dreams. Visit realapproved.ca to learn more about how our experienced team can assist you with your mortgage needs. Let's dive into today's episode.
Steve, let's kick things off by talking about the potential changes in Canadian mortgage rates as the trade war heats up once more. 5-year Government of Canada bond yields have recently dipped, which is usually a sign that fixed mortgage rates might follow suit. This comes as some economic concerns have been spreading through financial markets, especially with signs of a weakening United States economy.
Janine. That's right, Steve. It seems like the recent escalation in global trade tensions, particularly with the United States, has contributed to this economic uncertainty. The U.S. economy added fewer jobs than expected in July, which in turn increased the likelihood of a rate cut by the Federal Reserve. This could potentially lead to more downward pressure on Canadian bond yields.
Steve, Doug Porter, the chief economist at the Bank of Montreal, mentioned that the prospect of Federal Reserve rate cuts could indeed help Canadian bond markets. While fixed rates may not drop significantly, even a slight decrease could offer some relief to mortgage holders and home buyers in Canada.
Janine. Absolutely, Steve. It's worth noting that the Bank of Canada has been holding its benchmark rate steady, which means variable rates haven't changed. However, the recent rise in fixed rates has been a challenge for many homeowners renewing their mortgages. Even a minor dip in rates could ease some of that pressure.
Steve Sakuri. While there is hope for lower fixed rates, Porter cautions that we shouldn't expect a significant drop. The Bank of Canada has set a high bar for rate cuts, requiring the economy to weaken further without a surge in inflation due to the trade war. They need to see a friendly consumer price index report before considering any rate cuts.
Janine. The trade war itself is adding complexity to the economic landscape. With the United States imposing higher tariffs on Canadian imports, the chances of a trade deal seem slim. This uncertainty could weigh down economic growth, but on the positive side, it might spare Canada from an inflation spike.
Steve. Indeed, Janine. Porter suggests that the ongoing trade uncertainty poses a challenge for growth, which might necessitate a more accommodative monetary policy from the Bank of Canada. However, any decisions will likely take time as they assess the impact on inflation.
Janine. It's a complex situation, Steve, but it's crucial for mortgage holders and potential home buyers to stay informed about these developments. We'll continue to monitor these trends and provide updates as they unfold.
Steve. Next up, we're diving into the latest Mortgage Digest, which highlights a significant opportunity for mortgage brokers to step up and support newcomers to Canada. A recent survey from TD reveals that 76% of new Canadians are worried about making financial mistakes. This underscores the critical role brokers can play in providing guidance and education.
Janine. Absolutely, Steve. For many newcomers, moving to a new country can be both exciting and daunting. They're not only adapting to a new way of life, but also trying to get a handle on a financial system that's unfamiliar to them. It's a time when empathy and understanding from financial professionals can make a real difference.
Steve. That's a great point, Janine. The TD survey found that 1 in 3 newcomers have little to no understanding of how Canada's banking system works, and over half struggle with financial management after arriving. This is where brokers can truly shine by offering clear, plain language advice to help them understand credit, banking, and investment opportunities.
Janine. Lauren Vandenberg, the president and CEO of Mortgage Professionals Canada, mentioned that this is a golden opportunity for mortgage professionals to act as trusted guides. By not just offering products, but also education and support, brokers can make a lasting impact on someone's financial journey here in Canada.
Steve. Indeed, Janine. It's about bridging the gap and building trust. As Janice Farrell Jones from TD pointed out, supporting newcomers isn't just the responsibility of banks. The entire financial industry and corporate Canada can play a part in ensuring newcomers are set up for success.
Janine? Yes, and it's heartening to see that there's an industry-wide acknowledgement of this need. The Mortgage Professionals Canada has a tool called findmeabroker.ca, which helps newcomers connect with licensed mortgage brokers in their area, ensuring they get the guidance they need.
Steve, it's all about making informed decisions, and having the right support can alleviate many of the uncertainties that newcomers face. As mortgage professionals, this is a chance to offer that support and help newcomers build a stable and secure future here in Canada.
Janine. Exactly, Steve. It's about more than just mortgages. It's about helping people lay down roots and feel at home. By stepping up, brokers can be an integral part of this journey.
Steve, thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Ontario Mortgage and Real Estate Insights podcast. We hope you found today's insights valuable as you navigate the world of mortgages and real estate.
Janine. Before you go, a quick reminder, Real Approved is here to make your mortgage journey smoother. Whether you're buying your first home or refinancing, their experienced team is ready to guide you with personalized support every step of the way. Visit realapproved.ca to get started and take the next step toward achieving your home ownership goals. Catch you next time, and stay informed with the latest industry insights.